boxes also have a packet of crisps and a chocolate bar inside. Heading into the sea, we don't have any big and put it all in a large plastic sack.
Have some time to look at questions 15 to 20.
The engine on the boat area is famous for its ancient lighthouse, Little Island. It was built in 1838 to protect itself was complicated, as some of the original drawings kept by the local county. There were many jobs there, such as polishing the brass lamps. Busy. These workers were mainly prison convicts until the middle of that century, when ordinary families willing to live in such circumstances took over. Some of you have asked me what creatures we can expect to see. I know everyone loves the penguins, but they're very shy and unfortunately